Hi students, I'm going to explain your assignment for October 2nd, which is a Friday, and what you will be doing on this assignment in your Google Docs, Lesson 6. So what you're basically going to do is you're going to analyze the table that you filled out yesterday, and here are the answers that we filled out, but don't worry if you don't have these answers because it is also in this document here that you can look at. What you will be doing is you are going to do two things. You're going to click on this document and write what you see, and then you're going to write what it means. So you're going to see certain things and you're going to record that, and then you're going to tell me, what does that mean to you, what you see? What I want you to understand is the word population density. Okay, so we are going to be the numbers that you got. Double click this. The numbers that you have here is called population density. It's how many orangutans can live in 1 square kilometers. Okay, and that is called population density. So what do you notice here? So what you will do is you will click here and you will type, what is it that you see? So analyze it, notice what you see. So while I'm looking at this, the first thing I see is that I notice in the entire data that the range is from 0.66 is the lowest number, and the highest is 2.77, which if I round up 2.77 to a whole number, it would be 3. So that is what I see. So I can say what I see a range between 0.66 to 2.77. What does this mean? So now I'm going to go to the bottom part where it says what it means, right here. And I'm going to explain what I think that means. Well, that means that the population density ranges from 0.66 is, if I round it up to a whole number, is going to be 1 all the way through 3 orangutans can live on squared kilometers. So kilometers, and then I can't add the script here, the superscript, so I'm going to spell it out and say live square kilometer. Live in a. Okay, so what I see, so I analyze this and I list everything that I see here, at least 3 things that you notice and you see here. And then if you could tell me, then what does it mean? What is it that it means to you? So if I see a range between 0.66 to 2.77 population density, what does that mean? I think what it means is population density ranges from 1 to 3 orangutans can live in a square kilometer. Or I can say 1 to 3 orangutans can live in a square kilometer. Okay, that's what it means. That's it. So take a look at the data again. Look at these numbers that you got. The population density is basically what the number you divided, the population size divided by the area of the habitat gives you population density. That's how many orangutans can live in 1 squared kilometer is all it means. So take a look at the other numbers and see if you can notice anything. Write it here, and what that means you can write it here. Okay, that's it. And then save and close.